So for this video I have my notes because we're going to talk a lot and take notes. Today's video is how to stick to your brand in your Instagram stories. Let's get right into it. How many of those points I have on my notes? 4. So there's 4 things that you need to do to know how to stick to your brand into your Instagram stories. So let's go. As always, hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And so if it's the first time you land on one of my videos, welcome! My name is Justine. I am a digital marketer, and here on YouTube I love to talk about everything business, productivity, social media and graphic design. So if you love those kind of content and videos, don't forget to subscribe down below to never miss any of my future uploads, because let me tell you, there is a lot that is coming in the next couple of weeks. Let's go right into today's video. Love talking about Instagram and love talking about branding. Okay, branding is super important nowadays. Why? Because people need to know when you are posting something that, oh, this is her or this is him. Like, I know him because of what he's using for our brand and for our message on Instagram or on any platform actually, because I am using my color brand and all my graphics on Instagram, my website, Pinterest, YouTube. So this is what we're going to establish on our Instagram stories. So without further ado, let's get into number 1 tip on how to stick to your brand into your Instagram stories. And the first thing is colors. Yes, bring some colors, the color of your brand. Okay, you don't have any color of your brand, you don't have a brand, you trying to build one. Yes, well, good. The first things to do here is to find 6 colors that are going to be the colors of who you are and what's your message. To stick to your brand into your Instagram stories, you will only need to pick 2 to 3 colors out of your color palette. So I have a tip about this. We are going to go in Canva and we are going to use the color wheel of Canva. So this is a tip for people that don't have any colors already. So let me show you how it's done on my iPhone. I'm gonna record my screen, Google, and you're going to tap Canva color wheel, and then you're going to go into Canva color wheel, and here you're going to choose your color. If you already have colors for your brand, as I say, just pick 2 to 3 colors for your Instagram stories. If you don't have any colors yet, this is how you can do it. So go in color wheel and select the color that you think will match the best with what message you want to bring on the platform. So let's go with this color. Those 2 colors are like matching colors. So what I advise you here is to take this X color here. So write this down, and what I want you to do here is to take a screenshot of those colors and keep this into your camera roll. Now this is how you're going to use those colors into your Instagram stories. So let's say you want to share pictures or something, and on the background you want to put the color of your brand to stick to this brand color. So we're going to add a story. I took a picture or whatever. Now I'm gonna go into stickers and I'm going to add a picture for my camera roll, and we took this screenshot, right? So now I'm going to go into the drawing, to the eyedrop, and select the color of my brand. Now I'm going to tap and hold my screen, and so now my screen is this color, the color of my brand. If you want the blue one, take the eyedrop again, use the blue one and hold, and here you are. Now you can tap done, you take this picture and throw it away in the garbage, and now you have the color of your brand, and you can add whatever you want, like another picture or whatever. Here, add to your story, you do the same thing, okay? You go into your stickers, go into your photos, take your brand color, go into drawing, eyedrop, there you go, done, and trash. So my number 2 tip to stick to your brand into your Instagram stories is to use one font and always use this font. I will go into my Instagram story and I will take a story of whatever, and then I will write filming today. So this is the font I am using, and I always use the black color. So every time I'm writing something on my Instagram stories or every time I'm making reels, I am using white color text and black highlight. If you wanted to use the color of your brand, again, you don't want to use that black, go in your camera roll, like for the colors, choose your picture where there is your color, go into your text, take the color wheel, eyedrop, and here you go. Tip number 3, and probably my favorite one, because this is not a tip that you're going to see everywhere on YouTube or anywhere else. So let me tell you my little secret here. You know, when you want to use some GIFs, kind of little stickers on your stories, you always use stickers that you find directly on the app. And you know, sometimes they change, sometimes you can find the one you were using because it doesn't show up anymore for some reason that we don't know. So I have a trick. What I love to do, and I'm going to show you, is going into the Giphy app or Giphy app. You don't know how you pronounce it. So I will go into the Giphy app. So let me record my screen. So I'll go into Giphy. So I advise you to go into the App Store or Android and download Giphy. And now into the search here, I have an account on Giphy, so create your own account for you to save what you're about to search for, okay? Link in bio. Text. Here are all the links in bio that people made and that you can keep and put into your stories. Try to find something that will match your brand color. So I'm going to click on it, that you're going to like it. So it's going to, if you have your account, if you created your account after you liked it, it's going to be into your favorite into your account. So let's go into my account here. The link in bio went into my favorite. So now every time I am going to go into Giphy and into my favorite, I'm going to pick up this link in bio. This is how you're going to stick to your brand, because you're always going to use the same graphic when sharing something. So if you have a new post, you will use the same new post GIF. Let me show you how it's done. So go into your stories, you know, make a story, and then go back into the Giphy app. Take your GIF and just tap on it into the app. When you do this, it says GIF copied. Then go back into the app and add stickers. And here you are. You have your GIF. This video is almost over, guys, but don't leave quite yet, because I have one more tip for you to stick to your brand into your Instagram stories. And this is the last but not least tip number 4. To stick to your brand into your Instagram stories, you have to choose Instagram effects and use the same one. So what you're going to do, you're going to go into your story and you're going to slide until you find browse effects. Then from here, you have tons of different effects that people are making and are sharing for you to use for free. Pick one that you like and use it and save it to always use the same one into your stories. That's a cute one. So if you like it, you will go in here and you will do save effect here. Let me show you the effects I love. The one I like, it's called Warm Autumn by Sevelna. So here you go, Warm Autumn. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Hi. Summer Tan by Anya Skivinki. Terrible at pronouncing stuff. This one, it makes myself super tan when I'm not. You guys can you see the difference? Pink Present 2 by Marina. Super cute. And the one I'm using right now for my brand, it's called Renegade by Brian. That is my favorite ever. Now guys, if you have other tips for me that you want to share in the comments, please do. I would love to know how you stick to your brand into your Instagram stories. If you know more tricks than I do, I will be like thrilled to know about it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate it. And if you learned something today and you're ready to stick to your brand, subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any of my future videos. And thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you next time. Bye.